Not sure if you can hear that clunking, but it sounds like it's coming from the left side. My wife seems to think it's coming from the driver front. Yeah, definitely got some clunking sounds. Best I can figure out that's making the clunky sound is this right here. That's the sway bar link, and shouldn't be able to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with some supposed OEM ones that I found on eBay, and I was actually surprised. The OEMs sell for about $69.99. I got this for like 46 bucks, so we'll see how it does. To get this off, you're gonna need a 7/32 Allen wrench and a 17mm ratchet to get it off. And I've got to actually hold a screwdriver here because I don't know, it's pretty tight, and in order to get that thing off. That came out of the driver's side, and the boots are busted. I'm hoping that that is the culprit. So we'll put in the new one. So here's the new one. Again, it shows that it's OEM, and no grease zerks. Still has that hex key, 7/32, I believe. So maybe bigger. And it came with new nuts. And I think, yeah, 17s are, it's actually probably an 18. So, we'll go ahead and slap these on and see how they do. Now this is the passenger side. I'm double checking it. Torqued it to spec, which is about 55 foot-pounds. All I really had to do was just tighten the snot out of this. Replacing those sway bar links really improved not just the noise, but the ride. It's more firmly planted, and just the confidence is there when driving the vehicle. So anyway, if you're going to do this yourself, it's not that difficult a job. If you were to take it to a shop, bear in mind, if you don't know what the clunking noise is, they could charge you a diagnostic fee, 100 bucks, 150 bucks, something like that. And if you get on Repair Pal, or you call around the shops to find out how much it'll cost to do this replacement, you're looking at probably at least $400, more like 440 bucks. So it's a huge way of saving some money by doing it yourself. So anyway, hope this helps you out, and until next time, see ya.